Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make omena or mukene without the fishy smell and the bitterness. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Please add your mukene or omena in the pan. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove and drain out the water. This is going to take away the fishy smell and the bitterness. Please don't use that water. Yes, so in a pan, add very little oil. Make sure you spread it around evenly, and you're adding your mukene. We want to toast it a bit and to, give it that golden brown and a bit of crunchiness so that it's not too soft when we put it in our sauce. Yes, as you can see right here. Very easy. So you add it in a bowl and put it aside. Yes, so add on oil in your pan. I used 2 chopped onions here. You cook this on medium heat so that we don't burn it. Add in your chopped garlic. I used 2 cloves of chopped garlic here. Tomatoes, I grated them. You can blend them. I think it's best when they are blended. Yes, so add your vegetables here, your green pepper and your carrots. I used 1 green pepper and 1 carrot. Okay, so let's cook this. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Yes. So I used cumin, paprika and ginger powder here, but you can use your favorite spices. Any spice, all the spices that you really like, you can add them there. Add water gradually. Yes, I used a tablespoon of Royco seasoning. I used chicken Royco seasoning, and this one I used a tablespoon. So add it in there, mix properly. Yes. If it gets too thick, please add in some water gradually. Teaspoon of salt and pepper there. Yes. This recipe is really nice. Yes, I added a bit of sugar to put in some sweetness to it. You can use brown sugar. Brown sugar is better. You can use it for. So add in your mukene, your omena, silverfish. It has very many names. So please add it in there and mix it properly with our sauce that we made. Add water gradually. Now, for some people like to cook it with a bit more stew. If you want a bit more stew, you can just add in more water. And if you want it to be thick, you add in some corn flour to thicken it. Right, I added in my dry basil leaves there. Yeah, I think it's ready now. Very tasty, very yummy. Please try it out and come back for more recipes. Thank you.